Hello, Japan quiz sounds. Sound words, Giongo. Guess the fun and expressive Japanese sound words used in manga and daily life. The rules, we'll show you a scene or situation and you guess the correct sound word from 3 options. Here we go. Sound, heavy rain. It's pouring on these students. What is the sound for heavy rain? Doki doki, za za, or pika pika? Answer, za za. The sound of heavy rain is za za, za za. You can just hear it. The sound running footsteps, fast and heavy. What is the sound of running footsteps? Pika pika, waku waku, bata bata. Answer, bata bata. The sound of running footsteps is bata bata. Look out, here she comes. And hands clapping. What is the sound of hands clapping? Pachi pachi, gata gata, or doki doki? Pachi pachi. The sound of clapping is pachi pachi. All right. Thank you very much. Hope you had fun. See you next time.